Hi guys, I'm Canine Crooner Finn Austin here, and I found a toy that I really want. This toy is two dogs in a dog bed. The dogs are an English Spaniel and a Scottish Terrier. I really want this toy so hard because they have a Scottish Terrier on the dog bed. This is my favorite one. I really want these two so hard. These two are so cute and adorable. I really want these two so hard. I really want this one so hard. This is my favorite one. These two are so cute. I really want these two so hard. This is my favorite one because it has a Scottish Terrier on a dog bed. These two are so cute. These two sing. These two are so cute. I really want this one so hard. So goodbye, guys, and have a great day.